This is a quick introduction in how Microsoft Teams can help organize your daily professional life. I'm logged into Microsoft Teams native application. I could also access this from any browser. And in here, I have two teams. I have my corporate hub, which is available to the entire company, as well as my daily hub, which is unique to me. I'm going to start this session within my daily hub. So the first thing I can see here is I can manage my to-do list. I can see tasks bucketed by a variety of different options. So unassigned tasks, tasks associated with management responsibilities, customer responsibilities, staff responsibilities. I can put due dates on them. I can also organize these by the due date. So I can quickly see which tasks I'm late on, what I need to get done tomorrow, what I need to get done this week, and what is due out in the future. I can also easily look at sales analytics. So I can very quickly get a snapshot of our financial systems taken from our CRM system, Dynamics 365, as well as our accounting system, Dynamics Business Central. I can see the sales leaderboard. I can see the win-loss analysis, and I get access to the data I need right within my hub. I can look at sales opportunities that I'm involved in, and I can very quickly see, I can filter those down just to those that are in late stages. So I can look at those that are hot opportunities. Those can be ones I need to take action on. I can look at my virtual notebook. This will give me big ideas that I've been kind of working with. I have information here about staff, I have information about management topics that I've been working on. It's a way to just keep myself very organized. In addition to my own personal team, there's a corporate team, the corporate hub. This has a series of channels here that help me do my job. So I can take a look here at announcements. So I can see we had a new hire who started. I can look at WinWire in terms of a new customer. I could see a new policies come into place here in terms of the ability to work remotely a couple days a week. I have things that I access daily within the company. So I can actually see articles that are pulled to me on topics that are near and dear to our company. So I can see articles from Microsoft on new CRM capability. And I may not have time to read all these now, but I might see something here that's kind of interesting, and I'll have to come back at a later point in time and take a read at it. So what I can do on any of these is I can actually save this message right here. I saved this one earlier, but I could unsave it and save it. And that makes those posts and any posts that I see available to me at any point in time. I can also come in here and things I do on a regular basis. I can look at our blog. So again, it makes it very easy for me to see what we're talking to our customers about. So when I'm interacting with our customers, I know what, from a marketing perspective and from a corporate perspective, what we are saying. I can also take a look. We could have different analytics visualizations available to the entire company, which might be different than when I'm looking at a regular basis. So I can look at sentiment. I could take a look at market share. And again, this is all data that comes from our key enterprise systems, but it's just made available natively in our hub. Under the How Do I channel, these are pieces of important information that I don't access on a regular basis. Maybe it's a couple times a year, or I'm a new hire and I just want to get up to speed, but I want to see what our work from home policy is, or our travel policy is. When it comes time for an annual review, in this case, I'm actually pulling in an external site, but again, it's just made natively available right within Teams for me to access. Shoutouts is the ability to thank a coworker. As we are working within on a variety of projects and working with our customers, and I just want to shout out somebody and say thank you. Shoutouts is a nice way to do it and share it with the entire company. The water cooler is our social media channel. So it's just a way for us to connect with staff. So I can see here there's a weekly challenge asking for our unique secret talent that we could share. What you can also do is here's some personal news that Jeff has shared about his daughter, who was named to the All-County softball team. Tips and tricks. There's a way to save off tips and tricks here, and these might be recorded sessions. So again, I'm leveraging Microsoft Stream here to pull in recorded videos on how to clean up the Teams desktop, saving and finding posts, and pinning favorites. So Teams is just sort of a nice, easy way for me to get access to the information that I need on a regular basis, whether it's articles that have been written on external websites, organizing my own notes, managing my to-dos, learning more about my coworkers, learning more about what's in our business systems in a nice, easy, intuitive way, as well as I can very easily, within one click, I can see, my weekly schedule. I can see access my OneDrive files, all within one interface. So this is Microsoft Teams. We'd love to teach you more about it. Reach out to us for some more information. Thank you.